Hello students, this is Sahana, your teacher for the session. Look at the question. All variations in species do not have equal chances of survival. You need to be justifying for this particular statement. Yes, it is true that not all the variations in a species helps in the survival of that species. Okay, some of the variations might be harmful too. So let's look at the reasons for this particular statement. Reason 1 is some of the variations might be harmful, some of them might be beneficial. So let's understand this particular reason by taking an example. Imagine there's a colony of bacteria living in temperate waters. And suddenly if there is increase in the water temperature, maybe due to global warming, it leads to the death of the bacteria. But then there is one survival strategy here, that is suppose in case some of the bacteria undergo variations. Okay, let me mark the variant type of the bacteria with color pink. These are the variants. Okay, so some of the bacteria, if they undergo variations to adapt to that particular condition of high temperature, they would be surviving. So this is an example for beneficial variation. So these variation here is helping the bacteria to survive in this particular extreme condition. Whereas those bacteria which has not undergone variation, they do not survive. Now harmful variation, the example could be the mutation which leads to genetic disorder. So reason 1 is some variations which are beneficial, it helps in the survival of the particular species. Now those variations which are harmful, they do not allow in the survival of that particular species. The second reason is adaptive variation. You could take the same example here. The bacteria which has undergone variation, it helps these variant bacteria to adapt to that particular condition of high temperature. Okay, they are adaptive variation. So the variation which helps the organism to adapt to that particular environmental condition. So they will help in the survival of the organism. The last reason is natural selection. So here the nature selects the organism with variations to continue, survive and reproduce. Okay, so these could be the 3 possible reasons for the statement all variations in species do not have equal chances of survival. Reason 1, it could be some of the variations could be beneficial, some of them might be harmful. Adaptive variation helps in survival, if not they would die. And nature also selects the variations which helps in the adaptation of that particular species to the given environment. Thank you.